All right, 73's Keith, and thank you for the beautiful report. Enjoy the beautiful Sunday in London. 73's, W1 ZY, looking into Victor Kilo Long Pass.
Okay, I got two 5100 radios. I'm going to be putting the Bluetooth module, the Bluetooth module from this receiver over to the other one that goes in my mobile. The reason I'm not just swapping the radios out is because I've already got this one configured for the mobile, and I don't want to have to disconnect everything and put it into this one for that I'm using on the base unit. So anyway, one thing make clear when you're taking it, make sure you take the cover you're going to take off is actually the one that does not have the speaker holes. You can see how this one has got speaker holes in it. You want to do the opposite, which is the back plate. So you want to make sure you take that plate off. The one with all the serial number and stuff on it, you want to take that one off. And then turn it. See, it opens the case up like that. That way you don't do any damage or anything, and then it'll come off. It'll come off very easily. So, okay. And once you get that off, you can then take your knife like that, and then just get a little turn, walk it on down. Be careful not to gouge it into the board. You don't want to damage your circuit board at all. And once you get that loose like that, then the rest is just getting up underneath it and lifting it. There you go. All right. And we're going to be taking this Bluetooth board out here and putting it in this one right here, the mobile. Okay. Okay, and the board just it's got a little seat on the bottom here. You can see this little area right here, that little connector right there. The board actually sets down into that connector, so you want to raise it up the same way on this end. Nice and easy. No, okay, see, you can see where it's okay. Then we're going to take the board. And there's a little, if you look up inside, there's a little pocket right there. If you can see it, right up there is a little pocket right up in there, and the board's going to slide up in there. Okay, it's going to slide it up in that little pocket. And push it down nice and easy so it snaps in. Once it snaps in, you're done there. Then you're going to go ahead and put this cover back over here, and that holds the board in place where it won't come out at all. And put your screw in. The reason I'm doing this is actually to take care of being able to use the Bluetooth to send the audio to the car radio. By the way, when you're putting this cover back on, you want to set it in an angle and push it into the front so it'll lock down in the front. If you push it down just straight down like it is, it'll catch these little tabs and it won't be locked in on the front. So you want to make sure you slide it in at an angle into the front before you secure the screws. Make sure it's good and tight. And I am actually going to show you how to set up the Bluetooth in the vehicle. And this is going to be, let me turn the radio down. This is going to be a real-time deal here because I have not done it yet from here. I had the Bluetooth module in my other 5100 on the base, but I am actually going to put it out here. I checked on the price of a module for the Icom to use to hook up the Bluetooth, give it a connection so you have a wireless type configuration. And at $150, I think I have a cheaper option. So the Bluetooth module is not cheap either. It's about $100. So you have to buy that. So you save. Well, either way, you've got to buy the module. That's the only module that'll fit the 5100. So you're kind of stuck with that. But anyway, I'm going to go over setting this up, and hopefully it's going to do what I think it will do. I don't know why it wouldn't, and we're gonna find out together here. Okay. First thing you want to do. Let me get back here. Okay. We got to go to menu. Okay, and we're going to go down to. If you can see everything here, we're going to go down to Bluetooth setting. Okay. Okay, and you got to turn the Bluetooth on, of course, and so it's set to auto connect. If you can see it there. Okay, we're going to do Bluetooth on. Okay. Okay, so from the radio, not using autoplay or anything, Android Play, you want to hit the music button. Okay, and the music button, you're going to go here to more, and then you're going to go to Bluetooth. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and connect Bluetooth devices. It should find the vehicle, and it did find my Buick right here. Okay, I'm going to click on. Okay, I'm going to cancel it right here because I found it, my Buick. Okay. Okay, I'm going to click on my Buick. Yes, I'm going to connect. Okay, pairing failed. Let's see what we got here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and connect my ham radio in my 2023 to the car radio or something else. And it looks like the car itself will not connect. It won't sync up. So we're going to do another option, and that is with my Bose earbuds. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and set this up for sync. And I think it's and I pulled the Bluetooth card out of the other radio and put it in this one, so we should be good. Let me get a menu here. I'm going to go to menu, and we're going to go to Bluetooth settings, and we're going to make sure the Bluetooth is on, and we're going to pair it. Okay, we're going to pair and connect. Okay, I've already got the Bose synced in here. I did that earlier, so, and it's pretty much the same thing. You do a search, you hit device search, and it'll find the device, which is a Bluetooth, and we'll go ahead and click on that, and we're going to say, right now it's connected, so we're going to say no. Okay, and now when I go back to my radio here, and that is working out nice. Okay, I know you probably can't hear it, but well, I know you can't hear it. The actual Bluetooth is coming through my ear, so I can hear the radio. Let me do a. Oh, great! Get my reply back from the repeater. That sounds good. Everything looks good. So what I got right now with the Bose earbuds, I've only got one in my ear. Let's put both of them in so we can make sure okay, everything, all the audio from the ham radio is actually coming through my earbuds, and that works out very nice. So when I don't want to use the earbuds, I'll put them away here and put them back in their case, and they should disconnect automatically. And we'll see if that happens. Okay. And Bluetooth is gone off the screen, so let's see. Yep. As you can see, I'm back on my audio, the actual radio itself. I'm getting audio from it. Now let's see if everything syncs back up. No problem. And you can do this pretty much with any Bluetooth device. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pull this earbud back out. Okay, as you can see, the Bluetooth icon is there. Okay, so the Bluetooth is connected. Turn my squelch down. Yep, it's coming through my earbuds. Fantastic. So now, if I want to talk to somebody, I can just take the mic, and you can talk, but you hear everything through the earbud. Let me. KQ4 FXD. Very good. That is working nice. Okay. The reason I did this is because the actual module that the Bluetooth module that well, you got to buy a Bluetooth module to put in the radio, and it's about $100. But a Bluetooth headset, the adapter for the Bluetooth headset to plug a headset into and actually give you something that talks directly to the radio, is $150. I think that is very, very pricey for that device. And if you already have the Bluetooth card, then all you got to do is connect another Bluetooth device to it, and then you have pretty much everything you need to keep your conversations somewhat private when you're on a highway or whatever, and you got other people in the car. They don't hear everything that's coming back on the radio, and it works out so much better. So, yeah. And I think this is going to work fantastic. So if you're thinking about putting the Bluetooth module on your Icom 5100 or others, you can very well connect other Bluetooth devices, and it works really well. Some cars may connect okay with the Bluetooth. This one does not. When I go to connect it up, add phone or whatever, it tells me that the device will not pair. So that's probably because of the driver set that's in there and everything, and what it actually connects to as far as phones are concerned. It doesn't. The vehicle doesn't actually connect to Bluetooth devices like headsets and stuff that I have found yet. It connects directly to phones. So the only other thing you could do is actually connect it to your phone, and then your phone would connect to the radio, and that's also a doable situation. So I like that really well, and that's going to be something I use a lot. I'm going to keep the Bose out here. Yeah, it's coming up on my ear just a second right there. It just come up in my ear. So this is working really well. And then I still have the microphone to talk when I need to, and that works good. I imagine if I went to the Vox mode that it would work. Well, it wouldn't matter because the radio, the microphone's in the car anyway, so it would pick up the Vox. But this is actually an option. You can try different headsets and stuff. The Bose headset works fantastic. And if you have a set of Bose, that they work great. But I do like the Bluetooth feature, because it is kind of if you're listening to the radio or something and it kicks in. I got the speaker up under the console, so when it is activated, it actually gets pretty loud in here. Let me put my. And see if that should disconnect. And it does. Okay, now we're back on the radio. But as you can see, yeah, this works out really nice. So it'd be a lot better. So if you listen to the radio and stuff in the car, you have your earbuds in, and they'll actually pick up any audio comes back off the ham radio, and it won't disturb anybody else in the vehicle if you got other passengers with you. So this is going to work out really nice. So anybody that's concerned with getting a Bluetooth card for their 5100 or other Icoms, you have that option. You don't have to spend the the $150 for their module. Of course, the bows are not cheap, so if you don't go out and buy them just for this purpose, but if you have something like bows or something else that you've already purchased, why spend another $150 for a module that's going to give you pretty much the same feature if you have something else? The only thing you can do is try it. If you have another Bluetooth device, try it. Give it a shot. Go to your menu setting and go to Bluetooth and make sure you got everything turned on, and it'll tell you if you don't have a card in. You got to make sure you put the card in. The card's $100. Okay, then you're going to hit the pair and connect, and when you do that, it'll go out and find the device, and if it pairs, you're good to go, and it'll save you some money, I think, in the long run, and I think it'll serve its purpose. From what I've seen online with the actual Bluetooth headset module, I don't see where it just, for me, it doesn't justify $150 when I can only use it for this application. So, I think this is a much better deal. So, well, I hope you enjoyed the video and it gives you some advice or some help on the Bluetooth connection for the Icom 5100 and others. Please check back and don't forget to subscribe and like, and we'll see y'all later. This is Keith at KQ4FXD 73s.